What will California ban today?
I saw this. This is so dumb.
They're proposing a replacement tire efficiency rule. So the California Energy Commission CEC proposal would require a replacement of tires to be at least as efficient as the OEM tires. So if you're wanting to put a more sporty, stickier tire in your vehicle, if this proposal goes through, you will not be able to do that, or at least you won't be able to buy them. Of course, I don't know what the implication would be if it means you just go buy it from Nevada or Arizona and drive it back.
You're making another Rock Auto thing, but replacing it with Tire Rack. Ordering your tires from some other place, bypassing this regulation.
Well, didn't they get Rock Auto, though, eventually?
An issue with taxes that was never presented to Rock Auto as a problem.
It might not be a one-to-one comparison, but it's basically you're finding a way to circumvent. I can think of 10 ways right now how you can get around it.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering is how would they enforce it? Because it's one thing if, like, Big O or something, they're not allowed to keep those tires in stock. And so that, of course, limits your consumer choice. And anytime you limit the choice, the price goes up because you can't shop around. Mm-hmm. So tire prices are going to go up. Is it okay if I drive to Nevada and buy tires, put in my car, and drive it back?
Or take them over to Discount or Walmart and have them just install them.
Or what if you have like a mobile mechanic? Like, what if you have 4 tires you bought online? Have the mobile mechanic come and he goes, actually,
That's what we did for your dog.
This isn't on the allowed list.
Maybe that's how they do it. But how would they know?
How would they know?
If they pull you over?
Is stupid.
How do they know unless the cops know the tire compound and the type of tire and everything?
This is entirely counterproductive because you have to have a certain amount of grip in specific conditions. Like, you just can't buy snow tires anymore.